कर लेते हैं. Okay, so look into this. If you write a to the power b, that means that a is multiplied by itself for up b times. Okay, like अगर मैं एक एग्जाम्पल लूँ 2 to the power 2, it means that 2 is multiplied by 2 times, or if we write 2 to the power 3, then 2 is multiplied by 2 3 times. If we write 2 to the power 4, then we can multiply 2 4 times. Okay, अब डिस्कस करते हैं कि like if we write a to the power b, then a is base, okay, and b is power. Focus onto this point. A is base and B is the power. चलो अब इसके बेस पे जो फॉर्मूलेज हैं, फॉर्मूलेज आपके बुक में दिए हुए हैं, वो आप लोग चेकआउट कर सकते हो. इज ऑन द पेज नंबर 30. फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला इज शिट. First formula, a upon b to the power m multiply a upon b to the power n. Look into this. Base is a upon b. Base are the same and both are multiplied. So the power of this is going to be the addition. If it's divide, then it will be subtract. Okay. A upon b power m is whole power n, then power going to be multiplied. Okay, how do we write this? A upon b multiplied c upon d to the power n, then this power can be distributed to both base, a upon b to the power n or c upon d to the power n. So we can write this in this format as well. This will be going to be very important. A upon b to the power minus n is equal to b upon a to the power n. It's going to just reverse or just change. और next is a upon b to the power 0. एक बात याद रखना बेटा, किसी की भी पावर अगर 0 है तो उसकी वैल्यू हमेशा 1 होगी. चाहे मैं एक बहुत बड़ा सा भी नंबर ले लूँ, लाइक 1009,873, इतना बड़ा नंबर भी ले लूँ पर इसकी पावर मैं 0 कर दूँ तो इसकी ऑलवेज वैल्यू कितनी आएगी? 1 आएगी. ठीक है, चलो अब एक्सरसाइज देखते हैं. नाउ कम्स टू द एक्सरसाइज. So in the exercise, so this is our exercise. So if we look into the क्यों नहीं हो रहा? चलो अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में आप लोग चेकआउट करो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का एक्सरसाइज 2A फर्स्ट आई गोइंग टू राइट, सो आप लोगों को पता रहे एक्सरसाइज 2A। इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो तो फर्स्ट पार्ट है 4 to the power minus 3। In that question 4 is the base and minus 3 is the power। फॉर्मूला क्या था, a up to the power minus n is equal to 1 upon a to the power n। जो आपके बुक में दिया गया a upon b to the power minus n, फॉर्मूला बनता है b अपॉन a पावर n, जो ये आपके बुक में दिया गया है। ठीक है, उससे कोई चेंज नहीं हो जा रहा, केवल यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर में दोनों मिल जा रहे हैं। ठीक है, बस के लिए इतना सा अंतर है, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, फॉर्मूला तो वही है, जस्ट रिवर्स हो जाती है वैल्यू। सो अगर मैं हम इसकी बात करें तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 1 अपॉन 4 to the power 3। it means that 1 upon 4 is multiply 4 is multiply with 4। okay, 4 is multiplied 3 times, so 1 upon 64 is going to be our answer। now let's jump to the next question। अब इसके बाद में जो हम लोग क्वेश्चन देखेंगे वो है क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट का, हम लोग देखते हैं 5th नंबर। -2/3 upon my, so what will we going to do is just going to be the reverse। okay, power 5, then we're going to write 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 upon -2 is multiply -2 is multiply -2। कितने टाइम्स की मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रहा होगा, 5 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन ये हो रहा होगा। ठीक है, तो ऊपर का आंसर आ जाएगा 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, तो ऊपर का आंसर आ जाएगा हमारा 243 अपॉन माइनस to the power 5 minus 32। this will be going to your answer। ठीक है, now let's jump to the another question। सेकेंड में हम लोग देखते हैं, सेकेंड नंबर देखिए 5 upon 6 to the power 6 multiply 5 upon 6 to the power minus 4/6। both base are same, so multiply, so power will going to be add 5 upon 6 to the power 6 plus minus 4, then 5 upon 6 6 plus minus minus and 6 minus 4, then 5 upon 6 to the whole power 2। so what answer we get, 5 square, this means that 25 upon 6 square, it means that 36। so our answer will be this। okay, now comes to the another questions। first 5 upon 9 to the power minus 2 multiply 3 upon 5 to the power minus 3 multiply 3 upon 5 to the power 0। तो इन दोनों में देखो बेस सेम है 3 upon 5 3 upon 5, so power will going to be add 5 to the 9 power 2 multiply 3 upon 5 to the power minus 3 plus 0, this will be going to the minus 3। 5 upon 9 square into 3 upon 5 to the whole power minus 3। so 5 upon 9 power minus 2, it's a minus 2। okay, so what we going to do, by power minus 9 upon 5 to the power 2 multiply 5 upon 3 to the power cube or power 3। so how do we write, 9 square is 81 upon 25 multiplied by 5 cube is 125 और 3 cube is 27. 27 से ये चला जाएगा 3 टाइम, 25 से 125 5 times, so 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. So this will be going to your answer. Okay. Now jumps to the another question. 4 second part, fourth का -1 upon 3 to the power 2 is whole power -2 is whole power -1. So base सेम, पावर बढ़ती जा रही थी, क्या होगा, all power will be going to multiply. -1 to the power 3, 2 multiply -2 multiply -1. So 2 by 3, 2 to the 4, -4 multiply -1 is 4. So our answer will be 2 to the power 4 वैल्यू कितनी होती है 16 और 3 to the power 4 is 81. So what will you are going to answer? 16 upon 81. Now let's jump to the sixth number. 4 upon 3 to the power -1. देखो इसमें सारे क्वेश्चंस में हम लोग केवल फॉर्मूला बेस करेंगे, फॉर्मूला मेन है, अगर वो नहीं याद है तो फिर दिक्कत होगी. So first try to learn formulas and then try to apply this. 4 upon 3 is going to be 3 upon 4 to the power 1. It means 3 upon 4 multiplied by 1 time 2. ठीक है, तो कोई मतलब नहीं है उसका, ऐसे ही इसमें हो जाएगा. This will go into the 4 to the power -1. So first we do LCM to solve this. So there will be a 4 3 minus 16 to the power -1. So जो आंसर आ जाएगा 3 minus 16 will be -13 upon 4 to the power 4. ठीक है, सॉरी, power -1. So our answer will be 4 upon -13. It's just reverse, just because power is negative. Okay. So now let's jump to the ninth number question. In that we have to solve or find the value of x. So first is 5 upon 3 to the power -4 is multiply with 5 upon 3 to the power -5 is equal to 5 upon 3 to the power 3x. So फर्स्ट इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, पावर एडिशन हो जाएगा. 5 अपॉन 3 टू द पावर -4 प्लस -5 इज इक्वल टू 5 अपॉन 3 टू द पावर 3x. ओके, so our answer will be 5 upon 3 to the power -9 is equal to 5 upon 3x. अब इसमें एक ही देखो बेटा, 5 upon 3 5 upon 3 base are the same. So if the base are same and there will be a equal sign, then power will be going to same. 3x is equal to -9. So what we get the x value -9 upon 3. This will be going to -3. So -3 is going to be our answer. Look into the 10th number question. Into the 10th number question, 4 by 9 is multiply 4 by 9 minus 7 upon 4 upon 9 2x minus 1. So I'm going to solve this very directly. 4 minus 7 is -3. 4 upon 9 2x minus 1 base are same. So what we are going to do, just add this minus, the power will be going to same. So 2x is equal to -3 plus 1, that is -2. So x is equal to -2 upon 2. This will be going to -1. So our answer going to be this. ठीक है. Look into the question number 11. By what number minus x to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product becomes 9 to the power minus 1? So let the number will be x. That's how we going to solve this. Multiply with x, so product is 9 to the power minus 1. So this will be going to 1 upon 6 into x into 1 upon 9. Okay, 1 upon 9. So what did happen is, again in the next step, 6 is minus 6 upon 9. Then we're going to solve minus 6 2 upon 3. So this will be going to our answer. Now I'm going to end this video. You can solve this. If you have any problem, so ask me. Okay.